This is day 7 of Sleep Reset course. I want you to wear this hat of having good sleep, deep sleep. This will come intentionally by being with me, doing this course. So day 7, it's benefit of sleeping on the left side and other positions which are recommended. The first is sleeping on the left side. It improves digestion. Our stomach and pancreas are on the left side of the body. Sleeping on this side allows these organs to function naturally. Gravity helps the food move smoothly through the stomach and the enzymes from the pancreas and effectively releasing all enzymes and aiding digestion. It is also helpful in taking away the undigested food and toxins from the small intestine to the large intestine, promoting excretion. Ayurveda suggests a short 10 minutes power nap on the left side after meals to boost digestion and restore energy. This position also helps you prevent heartburn, indigestion, and discomfort after heavy meals. It promotes heart health. The heart silently being a little on the left, sleeping on the left also eases the blood flow back to the heart, reducing its workload. Better circulation, benefits to heart, boosts oxygen and nutrients delivery and supports overall vitality. It supports pregnant. Pregnant women are advised to sleep on the left to improve blood flow to the uterus and fetus, reducing the back pressure and aid nutrient transfer through the placenta. Bending the knees slightly and placing a pillow between the legs helps the spinal alignment and reduces the muscle strain. It also reduces snoring. This left side sleeping can prevent snoring by keeping the tongue and the throat in a neutral position, ensuring that open airways are there and your sleep is not obstructed by airflow. Additional benefits are enhances this left side. It enhances the lymphatic drainage and it also supports the detoxification. It boosts the brain health and cognitive functions, and also it supports multiple organs simultaneously, as you see, for the holistic wellness. The other recommended sleep positions: sleeping on the right side, slightly easier. It is on the lungs and can be more comfortable of people with certain heart or lung condition. It may not aid digestion as effectively as left side sleeping, but it helps. Back sleeping, supine position, it helps maintaining a spinal alignment, the spine alignment, and reduces the neck and back pain when it is supported with pillow. And it may also worsen snoring and sleep apnea. So to prevent the face wrinkles and prevent the face is not pressed in the pillow, you need to take it. In the fetal position, the curling up of your side can reduce lower backache and is comfortable for the pregnant woman. It can restrict deep breathing if you cuddle too tightly. So be in a relaxed position, relaxed curve. Stomach sleeping is like the prone position. It can reduce snoring in some cases. This actually puts pressure on the neck and spine, which may cause pain. Generally, I'm sharing that these all positions are there, but these are generally not recommended as such. The summary goes that the left side sleeping, it is best for digestion, heart health, lymphatic flow, your pregnancy support. It reduces snoring and supports the holistic wellness. The right side sleeping is comfortable for lungs, may be suitable for some heart conditions, but less effective for digestion. The back sleeping is for spinal alignment and the wrinkle prevention and may worsen snoring. Fetal position, this is reducing the back pain, supporting the pregnancy, but avoiding curling too tightly has to be avoided. Stomach sleeping can help with snoring, but it stresses the neck and spine. So be thoughtful, do it with a professional recommendation. In this, we are just giving an information of what all positions are there for sleep. So combining side sleeping with supportive pillows between the knee and under the head can improve spinal alignment. This is the tip. It can comfort and also improve the overall sleep quality. In this day 7, as we focused, we are again reasserting and revising the powerful techniques and positions which can improve your sleep quality. Sleeping on the left side, as I told you, It is just like a small adjustment for you, but it has big impact on your mind and even on your energy. And when it is digestion, of course, I had told earlier that your stomach, pancreas are on the left side. So when we sleep on the left side, these organs are able to hang naturally, and the allowing of food to pass through the stomach is more smooth, and the pancreatic enzymes are released exactly when they are needed, which helps in breaking down of food efficiently. Even as I explained, the movement of undigested food and toxins from the small intestine to the large intestine is also helped. And finally, for the colon to the excretion, this becomes easier in this position. So nap, and any nap more than 22 minutes comes in a deep sleep category. So nap means a short boosting of energy, and especially after heavy meals. So this is there. Now we talked about heart also, as it is a little slightly on the left side. So this also, as per gravity, we have discussed, we have seen that the blood flow helps, and this reduces the workload on the heart, and you get sleep better. Better circulation helps also delivery of oxygen, we have seen, and nutrients throughout the body and efficiently, which improves the energy levels and overall wellness over time. This simple sleeping adjustment can contribute to a long-term heart health. And for expectant mothers, left side sleeping particularly is beneficial, as it increases the blood flow to the uterus and fetus and support the nutrient delivery and optimal growth. It also takes pressure off the spine and helps to prevent discomfort and back pain. A small adjustment of bending your knees slightly and placing a pillow can also enhance more comfort and help more alignment of the spine, and this allows the mother and the baby to rest better and more comfortably during the night. Left side sleeping can also help you in snoring. Keeping your tongue and your throat in a natural position helps you maintain airways, making it easier to breathe. Sleeping on the back, and on the other hand, we have seen that right can worsen the snoring, as the tongue, it may block the airway. This adjustment not only is for you, but it is all these position, as the left side is dominating the lymphatic flow. So this position is much recommended. And yes, the detoxification and removing of the waste is improved, and this leads to better cognitive function and mental clarity. Overall, sleeping on the left side supports the digestive system, lungs, heart, lymphatic system, and creates a holistic, improved physical, mental, and energetic health. So I want to encourage you to make this sleeping on the left side as a part of your sleep hygiene. Combine this with the night rituals and affirmations which we have shared in other days, and other techniques which I have shared in this course. Over time, you will notice improvements not only in your sleep quality, but also in your energy, mood, and overall well-being. Remember, small adjustments like this, when you will practice consistently, will compound into a significant change in your health and life. So once again, seeing the benefit of sleeping on the left side and other recommended positions is going to help you. So today a task for you is try sleeping on the left side tonight. If you are normally like sleeping, do it consciously and note it in your journal how usually your sleep position is and how comfortable it is and how long it takes for you to sleep. Whether the position change helped you in like sleeping more effectively, and in the morning, was it more comforting and more restful for you the next day. For the next 2 nights, test one more recommended position on your right side and on your back or with a pillow between knees, and write that journaling. At the end of these all days, compare that did sleeping left felt you better, or it was better than before, or much thing. Short, powerful sentences can help you, like left side, better digestion, heart circulation, and brain detox. You can remember this way. Bed is equal to only for sleep and intimacy. Keep environment calm, cool, and clean. Avoid electronics 1 hour before the bed because melatonin production matters. Fixed sleep and wake up time and night rituals gives you more stronger internal clock. The back sleeping is a good posture. Be aware of snoring and sleep apnea. Stomach sleeping strains the spine and neck, so avoid if possible. Mindful sleep plus yoga Plus, sleep hypnosis is supporting your subconscious programming for wealth, health, and happiness.